and welcome to Vigeland Park.
The sculpture park in Gustav Vigeland is life work, comprising over 200 sculptures in granite, bronze, and wrought iron. It was installed mainly in the period 1940 to 1949, but is nevertheless a result of over 40 years of work. The starting point for the park is Vigeland's Fountain, which was originally meant to be placed at the Evals Pass in front of the Parliament. These plans were never realized, and the fountain later became part of the Vigeland's more extensive park plans. In 1924, the City Council agreed that the sculpture's monumental fountain was to be erected in Faulkner Park. At that time, Vigeland's Park's project had expanded to include the monolith and the bridge.
Really very artistic.
The bridge 58 bronze sculptures show a rich variety of children, women, and men of different ages. Here you can find the iconic little boy, or normally called the angry boy. Shared themes for the sculpture on the bridge
Good Lord.
are play, lust,
Their national
energy,
costumes.
and voltism.
Right there.
Vigeland modeled these sculptures in the period 1925 and 1933. They were some of the first sculptures that were mounted in Vigeland Park in the early 1940s. Beyond the bridge, the path continues.
Vigeland Park.
We are now leaving the Vigeland Park, and this is what the other side of all the other statues look like.
the rose garden to the fountain, the earliest sculpture unit in the park. In the center of the basin, 6 giants hold the large saucer-shaped vessel aloft, and from its curtain of water spills down around them. The men, representing different ages, may be interpreted as toiling in with the burden of life. Water, a universal symbol of fertility, is used within the fountain complex in a meaningful way, with the 23 groups on the surrounding parapet, the latter evidently symbolizing the tree of life. The 3 groups represent a romantic expression of man's relationship to nature. They also form the setting for life's evolving stages, stretching from childhood and adolescence through adulthood and old age and death. The monolith stands at the highest point in Vigeland Park and measures 17 meters above ground. The sculpture is carved out of one stone block, hence the name. The stone originally shot out of the quarry in Eidfjord, Norway, and transported to the park during the late 1920s. The sculpture depicts 121 human figures clinging and floating together. There's women and men of different ages, and at the top of the monolith is crowned with children. The sculptures has been interpreted as a kind of vision
Resurrection.
of resurrection and longing and striving for
Spirituality.
spirituality.
We are now in the middle of all the statues. This is the center of the Vigeland Park. Right over here are the statues. Over up there is where I was being crazy. And here, and these two paths, this is where he can enter. And there is a big playground here. Over there, it's a really big playground.